Upgrade your home or office with the Tuya WiFi Motor Engine Curtain Track System, a complete and customizable smart curtain solution designed for seamless automation, effortless control, and versatile application. This all-in-one set includes a high-quality Tuya WiFi motor, premium curtain rail tracks with installation accessories, and a remote control, providing everything you need to transform your curtains into an intelligent, automated system. Smart Wi-Fi motor with voice assistant support. Equipped with a third-generation Tuya Wi-Fi motor, this curtain system supports voice control via popular assistants such as Alice, enabling hands-free operation and integration with your smart home ecosystem. Whether you want to open your curtains to welcome natural light or close them for privacy and energy saving, control is simple and convenient through your smartphone app or voice commands. Powerful motor options tailored to your needs. The system offers 2 motor options to match your curtain size and weight requirements. 1.2 Nm motor. Ideal for curtains up to 5 meters in length, this motor can handle a tension of approximately 40 kilograms, with a compact length of 225 millimeters. 2.0 Nm motor. Suitable for larger curtains or heavier loads, supporting tension up to 80 kilograms and measuring 275 millimeters in length. Each order is matched with the appropriate motor based on your specific curtain dimensions and requirements, ensuring optimal performance and durability. High-quality customizable curtain rail tracks. Our commercial-grade curtain rail rods are designed for durability and smooth operation, suitable for a wide variety of applications beyond traditional windows. Perfect for RVs, bunk beds, cubicles, hospitals, offices, bathrooms, and more. These tracks provide flexible and sturdy support for your automated curtains. The rails come with all necessary installation accessories for a straightforward setup. Designed for easy installation and versatility. Whether you are a professional designer, architect, or a DIY enthusiast, our curtain motor track system is engineered for easy installation and customization. The comprehensive kit includes clear instructions and all hardware needed to get your automated curtain system up and running quickly. Expert customer support. We pride ourselves on offering unparalleled customer service and technical expertise. Should you need personalized advice, assistance, or custom curtain track solutions, our knowledgeable support team is ready to help you select the perfect system and keep your project on track. Key features. Tuya Wi-Fi motor with voice control support for Alice and other assistants. 2 motor options, 1.2 Nm and 2.0 Nm, tailored to curtain size and weight. Complete curtain rail track set with high-quality, commercial-grade rods and accessories. Suitable for diverse applications including home, office, RV, hospital, and more. Easy DIY installation with included hardware and instructions. Dedicated customer service for expert guidance and custom solutions. Experience the convenience and elegance of fully automated curtains with the Tuya Wi-Fi Motor Engine Curtain Track System, a smart, reliable, and versatile solution perfect for any modern living or working space.